Hey, I'm Govan with the Govan Real Estate Group of Keller Williams, and today I'm here with a really good friend of mine. She's also the owner and founder of Render Restorations. Her name's Kristen Wilson, and she's a locally owned Vienna business, and we're going to talk to you today about all of her amazing projects she's working on. So, Kristen, how did you get started in this business?
Many years ago, my mom has always painted furniture. Like always, she's painted things black, she's painted things white, colors, whatever, and then she discovered chalk paint. And when she discovered chalk paint, she got me involved. So chalk paint is really easy. You can just put it right on. You don't have to prep, you don't have to prime, you don't have to do anything. So she got me started in doing some pieces of furniture around my house, and over the years I just kept painting and painting and painting, and eventually I didn't really have anything left in my house to paint. So I reached out to some friends.
So today we're here and we have a piece that was my grandmother's desk, and I've had it in my house for a while, and when I saw that Kristen had created this business, I thought this would be a great opportunity to give this to her to work her magic and restore it. And we're going to do a little before and after, and Kristen's going to talk about what she's going to do, then we're going to come back and you're going to see the finished product.
Thank you. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna stain the top a little bit darker just to give it a deep, rich color, and then the base I will paint in a shade of white, and I'll update the hardware and give it a little bit of distressing and a little bit of an antique look to keep that antique look about it. And I'm excited. It's going to look really great when it's done.
Yeah, I'm excited too. If you want to look at a lot of the projects that Kristen's done, check out her Facebook page at Render Restorations, and you can see a lot of the before and afters. Hey, we're back. Kristen, tell us what you did.
Thanks, Carrie. I just updated the top with a darker stain, and then you can see I painted it white, and around the edges I used a dark wax to give it sort of an antique look. I painted the hardware. I wanted to keep the original hardware because it was in good shape, and just painted it black to give it a little contrast. And I think it turned out great. I'm really happy with it.
Yeah, I love it. I love the dark contrast top with the lighter wood. It looks fabulous. So if you're interested in buying any of Kristen's products, you can get them at Render Restorations. This desk, I believe it's already sold, right?
Yep. But and also, if you have anything in your house that needs some updating, I would love to do a custom project for you.
So, excellent. Yeah. Thanks so much. Bye.